File transfer between Android and iPhone will be easier. New evidence shows Google is working on Quick Share for iOS. An examination of the code in the newest Google Play Services beta version has uncovered text that states the following. In order to share files that are end-to-end encrypted with an iPhone and other devices, you need to first sign in. This indicates that unlike Android, where signing in isn't always required, sharing with an iPhone necessitates signing in. You will need to log into your Google account, but it would be a very short step. With this, the iPhone would already become visible. However, it would clearly require the installation of the Quick Share app for iPhone, which is the app we all presume is in development. If this feature is launched, it would be a slightly more universal and more convenient alternative, unlike what we see today where each brand is launching its own app. For example, Oppo, Realme and OnePlus share the same O Plus Connect app, which actually works. Very well, you can simply bring the devices together and it will start the transition when you accept. Actually, the O Plus Connect proposal appears to be the one that works best for me when compared to the others, even though it also necessitates having the app installed. However, for instance, Honor provides its own Honor Share application, which you can install on the iPhone. This app simplifies the process of wirelessly sending photos and similar items. Yet, with the introduction of Quick Share, it can be said that you would only need Quick Share to receive files from any Android device. This eliminates the need to search for their specific apps. Comment if you think Apple will allow this or block it, censoring this app in the App Store.